My name is Richard Hunter and I'm the CEO of FTSI. I got into this business due to a background in science and also in public health. I spent about 20 years in various public health agencies. Ultimately, I was the Deputy State Health Officer for Florida's Department of Health. One of the missions of public health, of course, is to prevent disease. And one of the ways that you can do that is to make sure that you have sterile products or products that don't have pathogens in them. FTSI is what's known as a contract sterilizer. That means we take customer-owned product, we pass it through a process to eliminate pathogenic microorganisms from that product, and then we return it to the customer. We do that by passing the product by a source of radioactive materials. Now, the radiation these emit doesn't make the product radioactive. It simply goes through in the form of gamma ray energy and kills any germs or pathogens or spoilage organisms that might be on that product. That's very important for medical devices, which is most of our business. Those devices obviously have to be sterile, and they have to be sterile inside their packaging. So these sources that we have that emit these gamma rays sit in a maze with very thick concrete walls. We load that product into carriers that travel through that maze, and they dwell in positions for certain lengths of time. That time is what makes the dose. When the product comes out, we measure the dose that it achieved. It's been validated against certain standards, and then the product is deemed sterile and can be returned to the manufacturer for distribution. We're really a resource for this area and this region, because there's very few gamma sterilizers in the U.S. And so we actually help with medical device manufacturers coming to this area. The medical device industry in Florida has been a very vibrant and growth-oriented industry. People like to come to Florida to establish companies. It's a good place to do business for medical device manufacturers.